Hi there, in this point it's time to start about next level in future of aggressive human being. I want to ask that question in terms of myself. What is the next level in future of aggressive human being? It's simple, AI. AI is not the Adobe Illustrator. It's called artificial intelligence. Once again, hi and welcome to channel Outlier. This is the start of lesson series of artificial intelligence. This lesson series of tutorial is aimed at those who are interested about AI, machine learning, neural network, deep learning, data mining and much more. So if you like to join with AI world, you can mention that in down below in the comment section. Also, if you have any question or suggestion about artificial intelligence tutorial series, you can leave them down below in the comment section and I will appreciate your valuable suggestions and comments. Make sure to click on the subscribe button somewhere in the page and don't forget to click like or dislike button. Thank you very much and I will see you next time in the next video in this series of tutorials.